Let's go for a day with me. Still have a little bit of makeup left, but I'm just going to wash my face, take a bath, take a shower, and then I'll be here. Look at my outfit. Of course, there has to be dog toys everywhere. Picasso! Picasso! Let's go and make something to eat, shall we? Because I'm kind of hungry. Are you? Yeah, we are hungry, right? Let's just make it eat. I actually thought that everyone loved that. Not everyone does. People don't like it just because it's bland. But I just fucking love it. I fucking love it. Especially the ones... Ouch! Oh my god. Especially the ones just coated with chocolate. Yeah, I love it. There are lots of vegetables I don't like. Eggplant. I hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it. How can you love eggplant? I firmly believe that people who love eggplant are just sick in the head. Sick in the head. You can like it, but not love it. Sick. Sick. Just like people who genuinely love, I don't know, onion. If you genuinely love onion, oh my god, I hate you. I can smell your breath from here. I don't know how you call that in English, but there was a catechese. I didn't have much friends there. I really didn't. I actually think I didn't have any. No, because oh my god, I was a strange, like mysterious girl. People didn't want to talk to me. No, I just wanted to have friends there. I didn't want to go there because I was alone. But you actually inflicted that upon yourself, Eliza. Don't be a bitch and whine about it. But anyways, I was always sitting in front, and one day behind me, and we was learning songs and we were singing, clapping hands, yeah. So we were singing. All right, everyone was singing. The boy behind me was singing, and I could smell this breath of onion. Like, it's not like a breath of like you eat something with onion. It's like a breath of you eat, of someone eating onion. Like, I don't know where this kid is today, what he's doing. I wouldn't be surprised if he became a criminal. I'm open for brand deals, by the way. Anyways, let me just go and eat a little bit, and then we'll meet and catch up later, shall we? Right? Okay. Love you. See you later. Let me cook that up. You don't have to see it. This is my my shirt from school. I signed my last day. And here's my salad. So good. I love salads. And I have my coffee with me. Salad, coffee, watching some tarot and playing some games. I'm gonna do my nails after that. And then the video will be, and then yeah. Just get that in. I could actually do nail extensions, but I'm a lazy piece of shit. You can see my double chin from this angle. Ew. Wow, funny. It burns! Is it normal for it to burn? I had to put this on because I still wanted to fly, but it's kind of cold around here. It's winter right now in Mauritius, so it's kind of cold. And I was getting a bit cold. Do I want to do my feet as well? What color. Actually, what color do I have? I don't have much color. Many colors. I only have 2 colors. I actually have more, but I think. Dude! What the fuck? You know what video I want to do one day? Wearing high, like long ass acrylics, like fake nails for a day. Try to survive with that. It's like being Cardi B for a day, you know? Before I was a sucker for putting fake nails on. And I'll tell you, before it was like I was way younger, maybe like 16 something. It burns! Is it supposed to burn? Or is it just because I put it on my skin? Maybe that's why it's burning. And anyways, you know, I was a very girly girl. I still am. Very girly girl. But when I was a kid, oh my god. I think the epitome of girliness I could have achieved is being a diehard fan of Justin Bieber. I would make up scenarios of me dating him in my head. Getting invited to parties, being in his music videos. God damn it. Okay, let's try this. When I become a psychologist, like a therapist and everything, when I become a therapist maybe, but I want to have a home big enough so I can accommodate my own office in there and have it like so cute, so comfy, really minimalistic. I have a picture just like that. I want it to be just like that, just for me to not have the sake of going out meeting with people. I mean, I meet with people every day, that's for sure, because my clients, of course. But it burns. Okay. Extension. I don't know how to show that. So cute, so cute. As from next week, I'm actually going to burn every day, which I'm very excited. I've never been excited for such a thing in my life. I'm running out of storage. Wow. I have to buy a camera. I really have to buy a camera. But do I have the money? Should be looking at it like that. Dumbass. You're not a dumbass. Yeah. This hand is kind of fucked up. Kind of is an understatement. It's called top. Something that you are not. Get rid of that now. Shall we? Get a boo boo. Shut the fuck up. Fuck's sake. I get a boo boo. Just shut the fuck up. Just shut the fuck up. Just tired. I'm tired of sitting around there. My legs look so skinny there. I have the biggest thighs ever. What kind of sorcery is that? I have no fucking idea. Always just bothered with dysmorphia speaking. Have no idea. Now what am I saying wrong? Big thighs or skinny legs? I have no idea. Oh, yeah, damn it. I think that's it for the video. I'm very happy that I'm back and making videos. As usual, drink your water, stay safe, take your precautions, eat and do something kind. Alright? I see you guys next week. Bye. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also Just do it. Just do it. And I'll see you next week.